Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to take you on the journey of setting up for one of my At Home with Nikki monthly team meetings. I'm actually not going to be in the meeting, so I wanted to do a tea tasting for the team because when I was on vacation this summer, I took some of the Tea Forte teas for a tasting, and I thought it'd be fun to do in our meeting. So thanks to Tea Forte for sponsoring this video, and let's get started. So friends, I have been wanting to incorporate some type of unique experience in each one of my monthly team meetings for my team. And so I thought starting with a tea tasting would be perfect. I also wanted to share this with you because, you know, we're in fall now and you may want to do this as a girls' night in for your girlfriends or for your church in a church group. And so it's really simple to do and a lot of fun. So you're going to start with cleaning your table, whether it's your dining room table, your coffee table, or an office table. You always want to start with a clean slate. For me, this is important because, you know, even if the table is clean, just give it a wipe down before you set it, you know. And then from that point, once I have the table clean, I want to put my centerpiece in, but I don't want to put anything that's too tall so that everyone can see each other. Now, I want to create some neat little ribbons to put around the spoons, the tasting spoons. And so this is a special label maker that actually prints on ribbon. It's a lot of fun. And so I'm just going to say happy fall. It prints out on the ribbon. You can customize it to the person's name. And this is really just a special touch to tie around the spoon to make it cute. And so just to put a little fun in there and to, you know, add to the experience. So I did this to all of the little tasting spoons, and this is what they'll use to kind of dip out their teas or their sugars and things like that. So then I'm going to use some of my beautifully organized napkins. These are things that we use when we go out and do different events, and it kind of has my book title on it. And I'm going to sit those out along with the Tea Forte Cafe cups. And I love these Tea Forte Cafe cups. They are like one of my favorite items that they sell. I absolutely love them. And so I'm going to sit the little spoons on top of the napkins and keep it simple. And now it's time for the teas. And what I decided to do is use the top 5 selling teas from the Tea Forte brand. And I also put some on a little saucer so that they can pass it around and smell, because that is a part of the tasting. So when you do your tea tasting, you want to get a little bowl or a platter and something that you can put some of the tea on so that they can actually smell the aroma and then rate it from the aroma also. I'm also going to put some amber sugar out. This is also from Tea Forte, and sit the little condiments out for them and their strainers for their tea. So then I set out the meeting agendas, and I usually put our agenda in these covers, but on the other side this month, I have a tea sampling sheet so that they can, you know, write down what was their tea that has the best aroma, the best taste. They can rank the teas, and it's just a fun activity to do during the tasting. I also put out this pumpkin bowl because we're going to have a drawing for the team. Someone on the team is going to win some Apple AirPods, so that's a lot of fun also. And that's it, friends. So it's something simple to do, whether you're doing it at home or at the office, to really kind of kick off the fall, have a lot of fun, and experience some new teas that you may not have known about. Now, because I'm not in this meeting, that doesn't mean I'm going to miss out. So I'm going to fix me some on the go. And I love that Tea Forte has that option with their cups that you can have the on-the-go cups here. And I love the Bombay chai. So I'm going to sneak me a little bit of that so that I can enjoy an experience on the go. Even though I'm not going to be there to be in the meeting, I can still enjoy my cup of tea. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my journey of putting together a quick tea tasting for my friends. Also, if you have not checked out Tea Forte, definitely check out their teas. They're so delicious. It's such a beautiful experience. I'll link them in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you all have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.